In this video, we are going to be looking at number bases and how to find unknowns. Now let's take, for example, we've got this question: find y if 242 in base 5 equals to y in base 6. Now to be able to solve this, both of the numbers must be in the same base. Do you understand? We have y in base 6 here. That means we have to convert 242 in base 5 to base 6, because as soon as we convert this to base 6, we'll be able to find y. Let's solve this. So we have 242 in base 5 equals to y in base 6. Now remember, what we want to do is to convert 242 to base 6, because if we convert it to base 6, these two values will be in the same base and then we can find y. Now how do we convert from base 5 to base 6? Now remember, in the previous video I told you that base 10 is a skyscraper and other bases are bungalows. Now if we are trying to convert from base 5 to base 6, we have to first and foremost convert to base 10 by multiplying, because this is like a promotion. Then we now divide to be able to convert to base 6. So can we do that? So we are trying to first and foremost convert 242 in base 5 to base 10. So we are going to be having 242 base 5 equals to, remember we are multiplying, 2 times 5 plus 4 times 5 plus 2 times 5. And I hope you've not forgotten what I told you, Mrs. Multiply, rank, and then solve. So we've multiplied, we have to rank. So we rank 0, 1, 2. Then we solve. We'll be having 2 times 5 raised to power 2 is 5 times 5, so that is 25. Plus 4 times 5 raised to power 1 is 5. Plus 2 times 5 raised to power 0 is 1. Do you understand? So we have 2 times 25 is 50. 4 times 5 is 20. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 50 plus 2 is 70. 70 plus 2 is 72. And this is in base 10. Remember, we are trying to convert to base 6. So to convert from base 10 to base 6, that's like a demotion. So we divide. So let's do it by the side here. So we are going to be having 72. We are converting to base 6, so we divide by 6. 6 in 7 is 1 remainder 1. 6 in 12 is 2. So we have 12 remainder 0. 6 in 12 is 2 remainder 0. Then we have 6 in 2, 0 remainder 2. From bottom to top. So we have our answer is 200 in base 6. Does that make sense? So we've converted 242 to base 6. So we're having 200 in base 6 equals to y in base 6. And if the bases are equal, it means that the values are equal. So we have therefore y equals to 200 base 6. Let's take another example. So we have this question: find y if 52 in base y equals to 10110 in base 2. Now in this case, we have the unknown as the base. Now whenever you have the unknown as the base, what you need to do is to convert both sides to base 10. Remember, I told you that for you to solve the unknown, both sides of the equation must be in the same base. So anytime you have the unknown as the base, you convert both sides to base 10. And remember, if you are converting from any other base to base 10, it's like a promotion, so you multiply. So can we solve this? So we have 52 in base y equals to 10110 in base 2. We are trying to convert both sides to base 10. Now the first thing is to multiply 5 times y plus 2 times y. Then we rank 0, 1. Do you understand? Equals to, we multiply 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2. And then we rank 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you understand? Now can we solve? So we are going to be having 5 times y raised to power 1 is y plus 2 times y raised to power 0 is 1, because anything raised to power 0 is 1, equals to 1 times 2 raised to power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and that will give us 16, plus 0 times 2 raised to power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 is 2 times 2, that is 4, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2, plus 0 times 2 raised to power 0 is 1. So we are going to be having 5 times y is 5y, plus 2 times 1 is 2, equals to 1 times 16 is 16, 0 times 8 is 0, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, 0 times 1 is 0. Do you understand? So we'll be having 5y plus 2 equals to 16 plus 0 is 16, plus 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22, plus 0 is 22. So we have 5y plus 2 equals to 22. Now we have to collect like terms. 2 goes to meet 22, so we'll be having 5y equals to 22. When 2 crosses the equals to sign, it becomes minus 2. Do you understand? So we are having 5y equals to 22 minus 2 is 20. To find y, we divide both sides by 5. Do you understand? So it means that 5 here cancels 5. We are left with y equals to 5 here 1, 5 in 20 is 4. So it means that y equals to 4. And this is our answer. Do you understand?